The Porsche 911 GT3 RS. A beautiful car. It's a beast on the racetrack, producing over 500 horsepower, naturally aspirated. But can it be beaten by a cheap tuned up car? Well, let's find out. We need to stay within a budget of 340,000 credits. Let's check out the second-hand store. Let's see what options we have. I see a Honda Civic. Not the DeLorean. The Clio could be good. Or we could also pick the Audi. It will either be the Audi TT or the Clio V6. Let's flip a coin. Heads will be the Audi TT. So it's going to be the smaller version of the Audi R8. But before we get to any tuning, let's test out the Porsche on the Autodrome Maggiore and see what time it does. Okay, we got a good launch, good acceleration on this car. Let's see, going to turn 1. Ooh. Could have taken that corner nicer, but going into some rough cornering over here. But that's what she's made for, so. Okay, what will our top speed be? 230, 240, 256. I saw 256. Nice. Going on to the final corner. Two minutes 16. Oh, that's pretty fast. A 2:16. That's going to be pretty hard to beat. But let's see how the Audi TT will do on this racetrack. It's four-wheel drive, so we shouldn't have any launch problems. A bit of slip in the front, but we can adjust that later in the tuning. Okay, let's see how it corners. Oh, can we stay in the lines? Oh, nice. Top speed is 217, I just saw. Okay, going into the final corner. That's a lot slower than the Porsche. Anyways, time to upgrade. Okay, let's widen it up. It makes it look better, in my opinion. Then we'll go for some custom wheels, some BBS's. Widen them all up. I think, yeah, the 19-inch ones. They look the best. Okay, I do not want to crazy this thing out, so I think we'll go for that front splitter. And yeah, the same one as for the side skirts. For the rear bumper, I'll go for this one. Okay, should we get like a big spoiler or a small one? I think the small one fits the Audi TT better. Now, let's upgrade the tires from some softer ones. Okay, let's do a fully adjustable ECU. Yeah, a turbo would be nice. And what shall we do more? I think we'll do the intercooler. Then get some racing brakes. And race clutch and flywheel. Also, let's get the four-wheel drive converter. Yeah, that one. And here it is, our beautiful creation. With over 300 horsepower. Let's see what time it'll do now. I think the launch is going to be better. Yeah, a lot less slipping. Great acceleration. Oh, you can really tell I kept the stock suspension on it. Okay, Did not take the corner pretty well. What will our top speed be? 246 I saw over there. Going into the final corner. Oh, a bit of sliding, So we did not beat the Porsche, but we did a 221. So that just means more upgrades. Now it has over 400 horsepower and racing slicks. You can definitely notice that in the acceleration. Okay, let's see how this turn will go, because last time it didn't go pretty well. Okay, that was a lot better. Should have stayed in third gear, but... Okay, let's see, our top speed will be... Oh, so 256, the same as the Porsche. Okay, going into the final corner. Ooh, pretty rough corner, a bit of sliding, but... Yes, nice. 3 seconds faster than the Porsche. So, with 213,900 credits, we managed to beat the Porsche. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and if you want to see more of this type of content, let me know down in the comments. Furthermore, thank you guys for watching, hope you enjoyed, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.